Hey guys, today I'm going to show you this nice Louis Vuitton mask. I did not see any video of this yet on YouTube, so I thought why not just put it out here and you can see all the details in this video. So let's go. So I just got this piece here in the store in Germany. My client advisor told me it was only like 4 in the whole store, so I got really lucky. And yes, it's really nice fabric. It's really light. You can see here has a tag, and for the earpieces it has like this yes, like soft cord. You can adjust it, and here it shows the Louis Vuitton logo. And it also has like this yes, cords. It also comes like with this bandana. It's really huge. I'll show you. It has the same print, and as you can see here, it's like this. And with this bandana, there's also like a pouch where you can put the mask inside, and you can close it